Alright guys, welcome back to the channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Tenerife and we're at Mareta Beach. Thought I'd quickly have a quick coffee, just got here and we're only here for one night only, so let's see Wagwan, you know the vibe. So what we're going to do, we'll have a little walk down towards Los Cristianos and then I'll probably cut it and we'll do a little beach walk. So yeah, there'll be some talking but maybe not a lot in this one. It looks like this little bit's got a bit of damage here. Must have been from the storms and stuff. Could do with a quick fix me up, can it? Quite windy today though. Really feel the wind. But what a view. Check the views out, guys. Check out that view. Absolutely stunning day today. So if you've been following us on our socials, you'll know this week we fly out to Turkey. We're on a new mega trip. We're going to Ishmala and Marmaris, and then we hop on a boat over to Rhodes, Greece, and we're going to go to Falaraki for 3 nights. Then we're going to hop on a small plane over to Athens, and we're going to have about 12 hours in Athens, checking out whatever there is there, you know what I mean? And then we're going to head straight over to Zante, where we'll be filming at Soccer Mazza, and we're going to be filming everything that we normally do, all of our walking tours, and maybe a few exclusives, because Problem Child's there. If you don't know who Problem Child is, check him out. Massive artist from Jamaica. He's landed on the island, so hopefully we're going to get a little interview with him, and there's a few other people. So yeah, look out for the videos this week, starting from Tuesday, well actually Wednesday. The videos will be coming out from Wednesday onwards. So yeah, keep an eye out on our socials and obviously on the YouTube channel. Right, so what we'll do is I'll stop talking for a little while, let you enjoy the sounds and the views, and what we'll do is that we'll spawn back in at Las Vistas Beach and we'll take a little beach walk. Right, you can see the sales boys are out hard on this corner here. But yeah, we're just outside Raymond 3, right next to the McDonald's. And yeah, let's have a little beach walk, eh? I ain't done a little beach walk for ages, so it'd be good to, you know, show you guys the beach for once. We're doing quite a few of these when I get to Zante, maybe a couple in Falaraki. But yeah, look at beautiful day. Yeah, let's have a little beach walk. Look at the handbags, loads of handbags. Where's the policia? You always see them running when the police come. But yeah, let's head down to the beach. This beach is Las Vistas, if you don't know. But guys, if you could do us a big favour and hit that like button, share the video to family and friends that love Tenerife, and yeah, if you can hit the hype as well, there's a hype button there. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because 90, I think it's like 94, 7.5% of people that watch our videos are not subscribed to us. So thank you all for watching, but please subscribe, it really will help us. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. This is Wagwan Tours, and like I said, we're here in Tenerife, but it was a quick visit, very quick visit. Next videos you'll see from us will be from Marmaris and Ishmala. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and what I'll do is I'll leave you to just check out the scenery, and I'll catch you on the very next video. Thanks for watching.